So today we're going to cover the topic of improving the complexion of a photo. This is a stock photo that I picked up, and you can see that, well, we humans have faults. And in this particular photo, you can see that there's a lot of skin grain in here. You can see a lot of the pores and stuff, a lot of the details, especially here, down through here. You can see that there's lots of imperfections. There's some really easy ways to improve that, and I'm going to show you them right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of that layer. That's the original photo. I'm going to simply add, this is the fun part, denoise, and I just want to zoom in so you can see this. You watch it happen. I'm going to decrease the luminance detail and start increasing this by scrolling the luminance value. You can see it already starting to clear up. Again, if I bring this back down, that's the original picture. And then as I dial this up, it gets quite clean quite quickly. So let's go ahead and accept that. Now, I'm going to add a mask and park that mask in the noise reduction tool. So now I can paint. Hit B. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you knew this or not, but if you click on, let's say you had some different colors in here, if you click on D, it will restore these to black and white, and if you click on X, it bounces between the foreground and background. Now I want to paint with black, and right now it's set to paint with black. And what I want to do is I want to restore the detail in these areas that have hair. You know, you can see that the hair is all, if I look at it before and after, you can see hair detail here, you can see hair detail here. But we want to restore that. Although this noise reduction tool does sort of mash that together and make it look sort of cloudy. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and paint over this a little bit with black to bring out the detail of the hairs there. Same here, just a little bit. That will help. Now you can see sort of the eye on the left here. You can see how it's sort of fuzzy looking, and the one on the right looks much better. I'm going to increase the brush size a bit and just go over that a few times. Just like that, right? And go up to here, increase the brush size some more. There we go. And paint over this a bit. And you'll see that the hair, of course, comes back into clarity. Hit Option and click on here. You can see that's what my mask is. So the black is certainly reducing the noise reduction on there, right? Okay, so let's zoom out. And doesn't that look a lot better? Now, I want to improve her lips as well. You know, they're not too bad, but let's go ahead and restore them. Again, I'm painting on black, and here you can see the lines and the lips come out, which is nice there. And that is pretty much it for this photo. Now, the resolution of this photo isn't the best, but it's a stock photo that I got and using for this example. So you can see the before, where you can see all those marks in her face. The complexion is not great. You know, look at the nail. The nail looks really good, and the noise reduction doesn't really do such a bad job with that. It blends it really nicely. So this is the after, before, after, before, after. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have some great uses for this tool with helping with improving complexion.